Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let us check our some of the latest job opportunities. Before that, let me tell you, if you haven't checked our job opportunities playlist, then do check out where we upload daily job openings, and also subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any further updates. Also, if you want to prepare for the interview, you can check out our interview preparation series as well. So let's just start. First one is from IBM. They're hiring for the job title software developer. Location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Again, job type is full time. Experience level is freshers can apply for this role. Education required is bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, or any related field. Again, you should check out why you should join the IBM company. What are the key responsibilities of a software developer, like translating requirements, developing solutions, providing support, ensuring quality, project management, design reviews. Also, you should check out what are the desired skills and qualification what they are expecting. Again, though, what is the eligibility criteria? And here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is for from Book My Show, which we use to book for the movie tickets and different concert tickets. Okay, so they are hiring for the software developer engineer. Location will be Mumbai, Bangalore. Salary is 6 LPA to 10 LPA. Again, the experience level is freshers or experience, and education required is bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, or related field. You can check out why you should join the Book My Show company. Here are the what are the responsibilities of the software development engineer, like designing and developing, collaborating, integrating, testing and troubleshooting, continuous improvement, documentation. Here you should check out what are the essential skills and qualifications for that role, like proficiency in IoT development, architectural knowledge, data management, API integration, problem solving mindset, adaptability, coding standards. Here are some of the eligibility criteria mentioned, and what are the benefits if you are joining the Book My Show company. Also, here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. So let us check out another opportunity. This one is from L&T. They are hiring for the software developer role. Again, the location will be Powai, Central Mumbai, Maharashtra. Again, the experience required is freshers or 0 to 1 year of experience. Education, bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or any related field. Again, here you can check out why you should join the L&T company. What are the key responsibilities of the software developer over there, like designing and developing ML systems, implementing ML algorithms, conducting experiments, data management, MATLAB integration. Also, what are the essential skills and qualifications for this role? And you can check out the eligibility criteria. What are the benefits you will get after joining the L&T company? And here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Friends, I will try to read all the details carefully and then prepare your resume, and after that you should apply. Also, if you want to prepare for all these companies, you can check out our interview preparation playlist, also logical programming playlist and pseudocode playlist so that you can easily crack your test and interviews, where we explain each and every interview question with the detailed real-time example. So also share it with your friends so that they will also not miss any further updates. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from Myntra. They are hiring for job title software engineer. Again, the location will be Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And the salary is 25 to 37 LPA. Experience level is freshers. Education required is BTech, BE, and in computer science, information technology, or any related field. Here you can check out why you should join the Myntra company. What are the key responsibilities, like monitor key metrics, collaborating with analytical team, liaising with finance team, analyzing market trends. Also, what are the essential skills and qualifications for this role? Eligibility criteria, and here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Okay, let us check out another opportunity. This one is from Comcast. They are hiring for the software development engineer, Chennai. Experience level is freshers, and education required is bachelor degree in computer science. Salary will be competitive based on experience and qualification. Why you should join Comcast company? You can check out over here. Also, what are the key responsibilities of the software development engineer at Comcast, and what are the skills required for this role? Here is the eligibility criteria and apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. I will try to read these details carefully and then prepare interviews, and after that you can appear for the test. So check out our job opportunity playlist if you have missed any updates. So thanks for watching. I'll see you